Tired of wrestling with paper and inconsistent digital signatures? Let's dive into creating your perfect DocuSign signature in under 90 seconds. First, launch DocuSign and sign into your account once you're in your dashboard. Look for the My Profile or Account Settings option in the top right corner. Click on that. Now, within your profile settings, you'll see a section dedicated to electronic signatures or your signature. Click on this to get started with creating your unique mark. DocuSign offers 3 convenient ways to create your signature: draw, type, or upload if you choose draw. You can use your mouse or a stylus to sketch your signature directly onto the screen. Aim for a natural look that resembles your handwritten signature. If you prefer a typed signature, simply enter your name in the provided field. DocuSign will then generate a stylized font version for you for those who have a digital image of their signature. The upload option is perfect for adding that professional touch. Once you've drawn, typed, or uploaded your preferred signature style, make sure to click the Save or Apply button. This crucial step ensures your new signature is permanently stored within your DocuSign profile. And just like that, your personalized electronic signature is ready to go. From now on, when you need to sign a document, you can simply select your saved signature from the available options, making the entire process faster and more consistent. Personalize your digital signing experience and save time. Create your signature in DocuSign today.